Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up software RAID 5 under FreeNAS. This will be my first of 3 videos about FreeNAS. In the other 2 videos I will be showing you how to set up a ZFS file system, and in the last video I will show how to build a AirSync mirroring system. For the purposes of this video I will use VirtualBox to set up a virtual environment with FreeNAS version 7 installed on a 500 megabytes hard drive. Then to use for data storage I will use 2 gigabytes hard drive. Okay, to set up a RAID 5 system we first have to add the disks to FreeNAS. We're going to menu disks management and click the add disk button. We don't touch the first hard drive because it's the hard drive where the FreeNAS is installed, and we start using 84. We call it disk 1, and because we are doing a software RAID we choose software RAID pre-formatted file system. We click add button and then do the same for the second and first hard drive, disk 2 and software RAID. I'm a Portuguese guy, so my English is not very good. Then the last one, 88, I will call it disk 3 software RAID and click the add button. Now apply changes and the status turn to online. Okay, this step is okay. Next I go to disk and software RAID menu, because I'm doing a RAID 5 and this is only possible with a minimum of 3 hard drives. I can use more, but for just showing you how to do 3 it's fine. I click add RAID and I give it a name. I will call it disk RAID 5, and then with my control key pressed I click 1, 2 and 3 disk. Okay, click the add button and then apply changes. Because this is a slow process, you can see over here in the status that the RAID 5 is being built. So I will pause video and continue when it is done. Okay, back again. I was having a problem over here. The status, I get a stopped status, and then I go see what was happening, and I'm glad that had happened, so I can show you what was my error in the configuration. What I done was to delete this volume, and then I started it over again. I click the RAID 5 tab and I click add new RAID. I call it FreeNAS RAID 5 or whatever you want. Then with control key pressed on I click 84, 86 and 88, and then very important I click initialize and I select create and initialize RAID. This in my previous setup I didn't check this box, and the status still stopped. I have another error. I cannot use this RAID name. I change it to underscore and this still don't accept it. Okay, I call it FreeNAS RAID 5 without any more characters, and then apply changes. okay, I still have the stop status because again I changed the name and I did not select the box create. Okay, deleting again this volume. This is getting very difficult. Okay, I call it FreeNAS write 5. I control key and select the 3 hard drive and check the box create and initialize write. Click the add button and apply changes. Now the status is rebuilding. Because this is a slow process, it will take about 20 to 25 minutes depending on your machine. And now I will pause the video and back again when it will be finished. Okay, paused. Okay, back again. My write 5 array is completed, and now I am able to do a mount point. Because I'm using FreeNAS, that is a Unix based operating system, I need to mount my device because this is a hard drive, and by default it will be mounted in MNT folder. So I click the add mount point button. I select the type of device. This is disk. I choose my FreeNAS write disk. I remember that I am using 2 gigabytes hard drive. That is a total of 6 gigabytes. But because write 5 only makes available for use 2/3 of the total amount of hard drive, I only have about 4 gigabytes of hard drive available. The rest of the total hard drive is for redundancy purposes. So I add my disk and I will call it write 5 folder. I will make a description 4 gigabytes and then I click add. Apply changes and the status is okay. So because I'm using a Windows machine to work with FreeNAS, I have to configure Samba. I go to services, select the Samba menu and I click enable. Then I click save and then I go to shares and add a new share. I will call it write 5 folder, 4 gigabytes at FreeNAS, and my path is write 5 folder. Okay, as you can see, it will be placed on MNT folder. Then I click add button and apply changes, and it is done. So starting with 3 hard drives, now I am working only with one logical volume that I called write 5 folder. So it is easy to manage because I have to be worried about only one hard drive. So to confirm that everything is okay, I go to the Explorer and I write //FreeNAS, enter, and there it is. My write 5 folder is available to be used on my network. Thank you for watching, and I will soon make my other 2 videos.